All right, guys. So as you can see, I got my my name tag from the previous year. I did. I'm pretty sure they're gonna give me a new one. But yeah, this is my name tag from the last one for the Secure World Expo. Also got my text now thing, and then I got my length remover for my shirts and stuff like that. Also got shirts right particularly for the Expo. So yeah, Security Nexus. That's actually a company that will probably be there tomorrow. I checked the website. Some of the same companies that I've seen and interviewed last time, they will be there. So you'll probably see some, familiar faces, and they'll probably be like, "Oh yeah, I remember you from last time." Yeah, so we'll get those interviews going. We'll get those podcasts going and rolling videos and live streams. This is the backpack I got going on right now. I just got like this little these two front, pockets and stuff like that. Main pocket, I'm gonna have my laptop and some extra stuff in there. Also, I got my business cards on deck. Yes, your boy got business cards on deck for this event already made. I got my text now notebook just in case, I'm checking out the seminars and classes and courses that they have available for anybody that, wants to check it out. And got my little pen and notepad, and, of course, I got the phones and iPods and stuff like that. My iPhone, which is running on iOS 12. I also got the iPod Touch 6, which is running on iOS 12. So I'm going to do a review once this is all over with. Be on the lookout for my iOS 12 review coming soon. Yeah, also, the Moto G6 is going to be on deck because it has a great camera. It got that dual setup, so you might be seeing me taking selfies with the crew and everything like that. Also got my tripod for the tables. They usually have tables set up, so you guys will be informed about live streams and things of that sort. So I will be doing a live stream on YouTube, Facebook, Periscope, Instagram, you name it. So I'll leave all links in the description box. Also got another stand for like one of the other devices, just in case I decide to go, live everywhere. And then I got this cloth. This is also a company that will be there called Code 42. So yeah, be on the lookout for an interview from them. I got my infamous Moto watch. I gotta charge that mug up. And then, of course, if it gets too loud where you guys can't hear me, I'll be using my AKG headsets. Shouts to Samsung and AKG on deck. Best audio sounds. Just playing. Then, of course, I got my chargers. And yes, I'm taking the train there. So, I'm going to be catching on some TV and stuff like that. So I got this bad boy, which is also a charger. So, yeah, I'll be watching my free TV on the go. I think it's like a 20-minute ride, 25-minute ride. I mean, I guess, it is what it is. But, yeah, guys, and that's about it. That's what's in my bag. This is my whole fits I got for the next 2 days. I got my Text Now shirt, and then I got my cyber security Nexus shirt. So yeah, you'll be seeing your boy rocking all this in the videos and my vlogs coming. So yeah, check back later.